Welcome to the Opal shop. This here is a very lovely piece of Boulder Opal. The ruler set is millimeters and the stone has been wetted to enhance its natural colors. As you can see, here's a nice thick and pre-cut piece of Boulder Opal. The colors are fantastic. Look, it's very lovely. Lovely shades of shiny green, blue. Piece is thick. It's a bit more open at the back of it. This could definitely be finished off as a knife handle. It would look beautiful. Or could be cut and repurposed if you wish for jewellery. Very lovely. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.